How to make money at 29. Money doesn't buy happiness, but neither does being broke. Money gives you freedom, and freedom gives you time and opportunities to figure out what you want and what makes you happy. It is not everything, but money is no doubt fundamental to everything you want to do in your life. Beyond the necessities, money can help us achieve our life's goals and support our dreams. It helps us attain the things we care about most in our life, like family, education, health, care, charity, and fun. It helps us to make the most of our skills and talents, give us the ability to make life choices freely, and provide financial security. With money, much good can be done in the world and much suffering can be avoided. If money holds this level of importance in our lives, it is understood that we worry about it and less too. So, if you are 29 and worried about your source of income and money making, watch this video till the end to get your answer. Today, I'll tell you and explain with multiple career paths the 5 best methods to make money and earn those millions, get yourself a stable income source, and have financial independence by you are 29. The last method requires no degree, so make sure to watch till the end. But before we get to know about the best 5 ways to make money at 29, subscribe to my technical solution and like and share the video. And make sure to watch the best video I made for you about finance and money making. This will motivate a lot, bring me more quality content for you, so let's get started. Number 1. Start a YouTube automation business. Have you heard about YouTube automation, the cash cow channel, or money making machine? Let me enlighten you. YouTube automation is a form of outsourcing where you build a team of scriptwriters, voiceover artists, content research, and editor. You recruit the best freelancer in this field and make them work for you, resulting in only getting equal opportunities to learn and grow accordingly. Sourcing out work enables people to run multiple channels without the time-consuming task of writing script, reading voiceovers, searching for high-quality content, and editing video. You can make video for your own YouTube channel as well as for other. This process is tuned as a foolproof way to make cash. To get started, you just need money to learn how to make YouTube automation team. Many online courses are available to get into the business of YouTube automation and thrive. YouTube automation business earns up to tens of thousands of dollars per month. How awesome is that? Number 2. Copywriting is selling very high. Why not become a copywriter? Copywriter is one of those unique skill sets that are both highly attainable and highly profitable. Industries are hiring copywriters with no need for formal training or education. A copywriter is someone who writes for a business or organization, usually to sell or promote a product, service, or brand. Copywriters write various types of copy: ad copy, social media copy, website copy, email copy, and blog copy. What makes this thing copy instead of normal writing is that they are intended to drive action with the ultimate intent of selling you something. Sometimes the purpose is to get you act instantly. This is direct response copywriting. The direct response copywriting includes a Twitter ad designed to get an ad click, a billboard designed to make you turn and take a second look, a landing page made to get email sign up, an email crafted to get a message in reply, or a product description is written to get add to cart click. With all the copywriting everywhere, there is a huge demand for copywriters because this is what gets you sales. To learn copywriting, you can take a free and paid course available on the internet to develop your skill of copywriting and earn a significant amount every month. Agency copywriters start at $47,000 and work up to average of $88,000. In-house copywriters start at $48,000 and work up to $84,000, and freelance copywriters make up to $100,000 and more per year. If you start now, copywriting can be the way to fulfill your dreams. Number 3. Become a digital marketer. Digital marketer is the use of digital ways to market products and services to reach customers. This category of marketing encompasses the use of website, mobile device, social media, search engines, and other related channels. Digital marketing involves some of the same themes as traditional marketing and is often deemed a new way of businesses to reach customers and discern their behavior. Not only this, you can start a complete marketing agency or launch your own tool like Neil Patel's Uber suggests this tool is making millions for him. Digital marketing is an umbrella term including entertaining customers via email, content marketing, search platforms, and social media marketing. Let me explain you these terms. It will help you to select career path in this field. 1. Email marketing is one of the most productive digital marketing methods. Email marketing allows companies to get in touch with possible customers and anyone interested in their brand. 2. The objective of content marketing is to reach probable customers through the use of content. The methods of content marketing comprises blog, ebooks, online courses, and infographics. 3. Pay-per-click advertise allows marketers to catch internet users to several digital platforms through paid ads. Marketers set up PPC campaign on Google, Bing, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook to show their ads to people searching for terms related to their products and services. 4. A social media marketing campaign is used for marketing brand awareness and establishing social trust. As you get into social media marketing, you can utilize it to get leads or even as a direct sales channel. 5. Affiliate marketing is one of the forms of marketing. With affiliate marketing, influencers promote other people's product to get a commission every time a sale is made. Digital marketers can make up to $90,000 per year and more. Digital marketing is a vast field with lots of choices for you to choose from, so get your career mapped out in digital marketing now. Number 4. Sell insurance to get money rolling in. Becoming an insurance agent is a great career for those who don't have a professional degree. In selling insurance, you work with clients to help them purchase the coverage they need. The great thing about the insurance industry is that once you are a licensed agent, you have the freedom to decide what type of insurance you want to sell. There is medical insurance like life insurance, cancer insurance, finance expense, and many others to choose from. Luckily, people love to have insurance plans, especially healthcare and life care ones. You can earn commission on the plans that you sell, so it's entirely up to you how much you want to make. You can make more money with constant renewals, so it pays in the long run and have loyal clients. Insurance agents do not sit at the desk all day long, as your schedule will likely involve meetings and appointments with clients, and you get to choose your schedule. You can earn from $50,000 to $100,000 per year as an insurance agent. So don't wait until you can earn this much and make your life much better than before. Number 5. Become an advertising sales agent. An advertising sales agent is an advertising career that sells advertising space to people and businesses. They have a vital role in marketing operations to attain service, product, or brand recognition to help improve sales. Advertising sales agents are liable for assuring that a business delivers the right message to the right customer at the right time. They are specialists in the best advertising channel for different products and services and also study consumer behavior. Advertising sales agents work to supervise the whole procedure of selling ad space to clients. They govern the entire sales cycle, starting with finding portable new clients to closing important deals. The agents have a knack to pursue new clients to sell advertising space. They prepare documents, the plan, and dedicated research is required to close a sale. And the best part is that you only need a high school diploma if you want to be an advertising sales representative and don't have a degree. The average sale of an advertising sales agent is $60,000 per year. So if you're interested in advertisement and sales, what are you waiting for? Try your luck now. With these in-demand options we discussed today, you can start your career at any point in your life and be successful in it. All you need is to master the skill and be consistent with hard work and right guidance. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Do subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. Have any questions, comment down below and let's have a chat, because I love to talk to you guys. I'll see you the next time with more informative and exciting video on how to make money.